Hello, everybody. Today, I'm here to announce a winner, draw a winner for Birds of Prey digital code on 4K. It is pretty good code. I thought the movie was better than people made it out to be. I try and lately, since the Marvel boom, I don't watch a excessive amount of trailers. I feel like if I watch enough, it just gives the movie away. Now I'm anticipating moments versus being surprised by moments, and the supporting characters could have been a little more defined or comic book representative. We knew it was going to be about Harley because it says it in the title. Pretty much the one trailer tells you it's pretty much about her, and everybody else is a sidekick. So my phone is slowly slipping down right here, and as I'm slowly trying to reach up, whatever, you know me, I don't stop at nothing. But anyways, it wasn't a bad movie. Go into it without any thoughts, and we'll see what happens. So let me read the names for everyone who entered. We got Dog Kid, Sleepy F, David Tobilo Villegas, Bill's DigiCollects Corner, Transformicons, The Destroyer, Dirk, JC, Garnish Kumar, Cool Nilk, Mateus Lizdas, TJ Studios Entertainment, Uneasy Andy, Yuyo Sane, Henry Gonzalez, Dark Knight Jimmy, Super Mr. K, Caesar Isadoria, Ken Herian, Dakota Buckner, Movie Nerd 20, Ifrain, John Price, Mommy Bree, Crystal B, YouTuber Archive, P. Morelli, Santa Jr., Raymond Tack, Dylan Flickinger, Toby Juan Kenobi, James Bayer, Jaden Christopher, Stefano, Andrew Montana, Charles Lee Ray, Lee Thomas, Fook Me. Now, typically, I don't allow these names people want to make up and just because they want people, it's funny, but I'm going to say that you're an Austin Powers fan, and we're going to chalk it up to that, because that was a funny scene. Go watch the movie, you'll know what I'm talking about. The Fook Me scene. Helmet Thunders, Lola Star, Clausen Films, Felicia Bacon, Matthew Aguirre, Steven, Herman Deiselkamp, James Boulanger, Corey Flores Gee, JECMC, Dougie Fresh 6694, Brian F, The Real LP Madness, Roxy Girl 6, Mary Wilson, Rex J93, Tony Rodriguez, Clasher Go, Devin Locke, Kevin O, Nicholas Popma, Candyman RAP, Gil Fizz. There you go. I can't read my own damn writing. Anyways, let's get to it. I got the skull. Look at all that. I got them all in the skull. Let's pull a name out. Put the skull down. Their winner is, if you can see it, Mr. Herman Deiselkamp. He has been a familiar name for quite some time, and I don't remember if he's won or if he has. It's been quite a while. Mr. Herman Deiselkamp, you have 3 days to message down below as my phone keeps sliding again. Whatever. You message me down below to claim your giveaway prize. Bum, 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 bum. And there's a firework. See, if I had editing, I would put them in there, but time for that. So, thanks everybody for entering. Thanks everybody. I got another video giveaway I'm gonna film right now. It's for a BAM Big Box, Back to the Future. Anyways, gotta go. Check the video out. See you soon. Bye.